If you're relying on just one source of income, you're taking one of the biggest financial risks possible. Most people think having a stable job means security, but in reality, if your job disappears, so does your entire income. The wealthy never rely on just one paycheck, they build multiple streams of income to protect themselves and grow their wealth. The biggest issue, job security, is an illusion. Companies downsize, industries change, and economic downturns happen. If you only have one income stream, you're one layoff, one medical emergency, or one economic crash away from financial disaster. The people who survive these situations aren't the ones with the best jobs, they're the ones with other sources of income to fall back on. Another problem: a single income limits your financial growth. A job pays a set salary, and no matter how hard you work, there's a ceiling to how much you can earn. But if you have multiple income streams, side hustles, investments, or a business, you can keep scaling your wealth. So, how do you start? First, invest in assets. The wealthy grow their money through stocks, real estate, and passive income streams that make money even when they aren't working. Next, start a side income, whether it's freelancing, selling digital products, or an online business. Even a few $100s a month can create financial flexibility. Finally, develop skills that allow you to earn in multiple ways. The more valuable you become, the more options you have. The truth is, one source of income is the riskiest financial decision you can make. If you want to build wealth and protect yourself from financial uncertainty, multiple income streams aren't optional, they're necessary.